Unity in Diversity, Mahigugmaong Talacogon Math Convergence Team. In DSWD context, the Convergence strategy links the Department's social protection and poverty reduction programs to establish strategic focus, complementation, and operational efficiency for the empowerment of all its stakeholders. With this, DSWD Caraga Regional Director Minda B. Brigoli specifically directed to intensify and strengthen the convergence teams in the region. The convergence team in Talacogon, Agusan del Sur, who found the sweetness of unity in the midst of diversity as they work together, despite and in spite divergence, limitations, and priorities. Led by math leader Arnold Manalo, with members Reynali, Lovely, Junelle, Sheila Rose, Annabelle, Christy, Marlon, Daryl, Al, Reynalyn, Fritz, Princess, Jer, Wilbin, Charmy, and Leo, the team was assessed as a functional convergence team with the obvious presence of the following elements: unified office space with sufficient, appropriate equipment and logistics, where they can easily check on each other in terms of progress and performance and execute their plans. Presence of an organizational chart where team roles and functions are clearly defined. Identity or brand formulated, which is Mahigugmaong Talacogon. Own vision, mission, and goals anchored in the VMG of the department. Regular conduct of monthly math and MCAP meetings where progress reports of the map are monitored. Scorecard and action plans. This organized strategy of the team paved the way to their smooth administration of SWIDI. Also, this ignited the innovative skills of the members that produced a municipal resolution to address the pawning of cash card issue, a first and only municipal-wide practice in the region to which every barangay has an ordinance against cash card pawning. As quoted by Helen Keller, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." Because Math Talacogon took it by heart that convergence is the name of the game in the era of new normal, the team excellently delivered, driven by this principle that in unity there is strength.